Hi guys, my name is Wenli. Welcome to my channel. Today our menu is potato salad. Super simple. Let's get started. First, we steam the potato until it's soft. Then we slice the onion and grate the carrot. Okay, now we place all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. The potatoes, the carrots, the onions, now the mayonnaise, and a pinch of salt. Now we mix them together. I prefer to mash the potatoes a little bit to make it blend together with the mayonnaise. Ta-da! Are you ready to try the potato salad? Let's do it! The smell of the onion together with the potato is just perfect. If you love this video, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.